Everyone knows what to bring on a cruise, but smart travelers also know what not to pack. Some things look useful, but in reality they eat up space, become a hassle, or even get confiscated. Today we're talking about the items seasoned cruisers leave at home, and why you should too. These tips come from travelers who, let's be honest, learned the hard way. And stick with us till the end. Because the last point will surprise you. It is the thing many first-time cruisers always bring and instantly regret. The one gym cloths. The cruise ship gym looks impressive. Rows of treadmills, free weights, and ocean views. Lots of first-timers pack workout clothes planning to go daily. But after buffets, cocktails, and late-night shows, those sneakers often never leave the bag. If you don't work out at home, you won't suddenly start at sea. Experienced travelers save the space and skip the gym gear. Number 2. Water, soda, and wine. Royal Caribbean and other lines often allow a few beverages on board, but many experienced cruisers have stopped lugging water, soda, or even wine. Why? Because carrying it at embarkation is a pain, and beverage packages make everything simple. Yes, they cost more, but for most people the convenience is worth it. Instead of dragging soda cartons, smart travelers let the crew do the heavy lifting. Number 3, sneaking alcohol. It used to be a thing to hide booze in shampoo bottles, pour vodka into a Listerine bottle, or use special rum runner flasks. Some still try, but most veterans say it's not worth the risk. Cruise lines know these tricks now, and bottles often get seized at security. Plus, the sneaking stress kills the vibe. Pros agree. Buy a package, use loyalty perks, or just pay for what you drink. Pure peace of mind. 4. Jewelry and makeups. People used to bring matching jewelry for every outfit, necklaces, earrings, bracelets, even anklets. But seasoned travelers know most of it never gets worn. Now, most bring a few versatile pieces. Same with makeup. Less is more. A simple evening look is enough, and your bag stays light. 5. Bulky tech and old habits. Times have changed, and so has packing. Heavy cameras are out. Most photos come from smartphones. Stacks of books gave way to a Kindle or iPad, and no more highlighters. Cruise apps replaced old paper planners. Tech made luggage lighter, and experienced travelers adapted. But 6. Cruise. Essentials that aren't essential. Over-the-door organizers, towel clips, magnetic hooks. Once essentials, but many cruisers admit they don't use them anymore. Cabins typically house fewer people now, so there's usually enough space without extras. Some guests say towel clips and magnet hooks just collect dust, and yes, people pack far less shampoo, conditioner, and meds than before. True pros bring only what they'll actually use, not an entire bathroom. Number 7. Travel irons. This one's straightforward. Travel irons are strictly banned on cruise ships for fire safety. If you bring one, security will confiscate it before your bag even reaches the cabin. That's why veterans don't waste space on them. Use wrinkle release spray or the ship's laundry service, safe alternatives. 8. Too many shoes. Shoes fill a bag fast, and new cruisers often overpack. Some admit bringing 10 to 14 pairs for a week. Smart travelers know 3 and 4 pairs are enough. Flip-flops for the pool, sneakers for walking, and a dressy pair for evenings. Everything else is dead weight. Number 9. Formal wear. Tuxedos, gowns, floor-length ball dresses, once common. But now dress codes are looser, and formal night isn't that formal. These days, most guests wear a cocktail dress, summer dress, or a simple suit. Aim for polished, not gala. Some people still go all out, and that's totally fine, but veterans usually travel lighter. Number 10. Too many toiletries. Full-size shampoo, conditioner, and body wash are tempting, but cabins already have them. If you run out, onboard shops sell more. A giant bathroom kit just hogs space. Smart travelers bring the basics and leave the rest at home. Travel sizes are enough, and your bag stays light. 11's beach towels. Packing big towels for the pool or beach day? Also pointless. Every cruise line provides free pool towels and you can take them ashore. They're large, soft, and you can swap them anytime. That E says why experienced travelers don't bring their own, and their E says less laundry when you get back. Number 12. Extra snacks. Some people stuff chips, cookies, even instant noodles into their bag. But cruise ships have food 24/7. Buffets, cafes, and room service cover every craving. Snacks just take space and often go untouched. Veterans carry only a small candy or gum for excursions. Everything else is on board. 13. Hard cash in large amounts. Carrying a bit of cash for tips and small payments is smart, but too much cash is neither necessary nor safe. Cruise ships are cashless. Everything posts to your stateroom account, and most ports take credit cards. Extra cash just raises the risk of loss or theft. Experienced travelers carry small bills and leave the rest at home. 14. Honorable mentions. No need for extra hangers. Ask your cabin attendant. When the kids are older, the diapers disappear, and some joke they no longer pack their in-laws or exes. But everyone agrees, the best thing to leave behind, your worries. On vacation, peace of mind is the real luxury. Use Charm 15 pack. Smarter, travel lighter. Packing for a cruise isn't just a bring list, it's the wisdom of what not to bring. From gym clothes to formal gowns, seasoned travelers pack light and smart. Rethink your list before your next sailing. And if this helped, like, subscribe, and stay tuned. Next video will share the essentials you should always pack. Before you step onto a majestic cruise ship, there are 12 surprising things you should never pack. They look harmless, but cruise lines see them as serious risks. Pack even one by mistake, and you could end up in the naughty room. Or worse, be offloaded before sail away. In this video, we're calling out the banned items passengers keep getting caught with. But subscribe before you depart so you don't miss the latest 2025 cruise updates. That travel-size steamer labeled cruise approved. Remember, it isn't. No matter what the product claims, cruise lines don't consider it safe. Why? Steamers, irons, and similar heating devices are fire risks, and fire at sea is the biggest danger. Security scans bags. If they see it, it'll be confiscated before it reaches your cabin. And no, Facebook said it was okay won't help. Want wrinkle-free clothes? Try a wrinkle release spray or hang items in the bathroom during a hot shower. Not perfect, but your gear won't be seized on day one. This one confuses new travelers. Yes, a few packs of sealed candy or snacks are fine, but a homemade sandwich, a bag of cut cheese, or leftover pizza, straight to the trash. Cruise ships follow strict sanitation and customs rules. Perishables or unsealed items are considered contamination risks. Worse, if you take fruit or meat off the ship at a port, especially in countries like Mexico or the Bahamas, you could face heavy fines. Legal trouble for a snack? No thanks. We all have comfort items, especially for better sleep. For some, it's a heating blanket. But heating blankets, travel kettles, rice cookers, hot plates, and small coffee makers, all strictly prohibited. Why? They have exposed heating elements or draw too much power, dangerous in a compact cabin environment. If you truly need warmth, consider a microwavable heat pack or a reusable hot water bottle. And remember, on most ships, coffee is available nearly 24/7. You'll survive without a Keurig. This sounds odd, but wearing camouflage clothing can cause problems when you disembark. On board it's fine, but in some countries, especially Caribbean spots like Barbados, Jamaica, or Trinidad, camo is illegal for civilians. It's reserved for military police, and you could be fined or questioned. Why risk it? An innocent outfit can turn into unnecessary trouble. Some people hang a curtain with magnetic hooks for privacy in shared cabins. Clever, until security sees it. Lines like Carnival have updated policies. Any drapes, dividers are banned because they can interfere with fire sprinklers, emergency lighting, or inspections. You may be told to remove it, or it could be confiscated. Instead, try travel-friendly alternatives like a pop-up privacy pod or a sleep mask plus headphones. Drones are a gray area. Some cruise lines allow you to bring one if you declare it, others don't. Even if allowed, you can't fly it on the ship, not even while docked. In many cases, security holds the drone and returns it at the end. If you want aerial shots in port, check your line's specific policy before you sail. Otherwise, your drone will see more storage than sky. Surge-protected power strips are banned on most cruise lines. They're a fire risk and can interfere with the ship's electrical systems. The alternative? A non-surge power cube, ideally with USB ports, and avoid long extension cords. Those often get seized too. Small grooming scissors are fine, but anything with blades over 4 inches, about 10 cm, gets flagged at security. Some sewing kits have been confiscated because of one oversized tool. Before packing anything sharp, check your line's rules. Better safe. Water guns or kids' Nerf blasters for a beach day? Leave them at home. Cruise security won't risk anything that looks like a weapon, even a toy. Many have been confiscated, and kids end up disappointed. Bring other beach toys instead. This one surprises people. CBD oil, edibles, and related products are prohibited, even if they're legal where you live. Cruise lines operate under international maritime law, and policies lean cautious. Many ships use sniffer dogs. Get caught and you could be forcibly disembarked. Is it worth risking your vacation? If you're not sure something is allowed, it probably isn't. Yes, most cruises let you bring 1 bottle of wine, but anything stronger? That's when people start scheming. Shampoo bottles, mouthwash containers, even fake sunscreen flasks. Security has seen it all, and they're better than ever at catching it. Entire Reddit threads are full of crackdown stories. Some go so far as to buy resealing kits and dye vodka red to pass it off as wine. Is it really worth it? Probably not, especially when beverage packages can be decent value for as much as you want. Trying to outsmart the system usually ends with your stash poured down the drain. There you have it, 15 things you should never pack for a cruise. Some seem harmless, even clever, but cruise security is one step ahead. Most of the time, these items just get confiscated. Sometimes the outcome is worse, and your dream vacation ends before it begins. Now you know what to avoid, so your cruise can truly be worry-free. If this video helped, hit like, and don't forget to subscribe for more cruise tips and travel secrets. Safe travels, and see you in the next one.